Tissue grafting is sometimes necessary when we lose tissue around the root of a tooth. When the gums recede, the attached tissue around the tooth is lost, which may compromise the health of the tooth and the supporting bone. In order to replace the lost tissue, we usually graft tissue from the roof of the mouth. This tissue is ideal for grafting. The area where the graft is taken is sealed and will quickly heal. The area where we are grafting is prepared. The tissue is lifted, and the graft is positioned into place to cover the area of the tooth where the tissue has receded. It is secured and then covered. This new tissue is thicker and stronger. This resists future recession from toothbrushing and also reduces root sensitivity, which may have been present prior to the procedure. The grafted area is left to heal for several weeks. Once healed, the lost tissue is replaced, improving the aesthetic appearance, but also maintaining the health of the tooth.